I'm Pete Zielinski with Additive Manufacturing.media. I asked our writers to look back. Pick a favorite story you worked on during 2018.
My favorite story is about catalysis additive tooling. As the name suggests, catalysis is using 3D printed tooling to make parts, but they're doing it in a way that I've never seen done before. For example, using sand 3D printing to make vacuum form tooling.
I love the work we did on machine learning. Technologies don't advance in a vacuum. Additive is arriving. Artificial intelligence is arriving. The two will work together.
My favorite story of 2018 would have to be when I had the chance to work with the advanced engineering group at Roush to document their experimenting of a 3D printed cylinder head. What was interesting about that story was how the experimenting came about, proving that you never know something's going to work until you give it a try.
My pick from 2018 was about the qualification process for additively produced critical parts in the aerospace sector. Public-private partnerships like Colorado's Adapt Center are aiming to decode the fundamental physics of energy input, mass flow, and time to streamline this process.
One of the most interesting stories I have written this year, in my opinion, was about my visit to the Sauber Formula One team in Switzerland, who use production-scale metal additive manufacturing machines to produce parts for their cars, for external customers, and also for the many parts they need to test the race cars before they go into racing on a 60% scale model.
If you're a manufacturer using additive, adopting additive, exploring additive, wondering about additive, we are for you. AdditiveManufacturing.media.